you need a new oil tank for your domestic or commercial property, then Anglia Oil Tanks are East Anglia's #1 choice. As your reliable, affordable oil tank professionals, we can supply and install all types of plastic and steel oil tanks. Our friendly and experienced installation team are on hand to provide the best solution for your needs, are fully insured and are Off-Tech 600A certified. We only provide high-quality materials and exceptional workmanship, and all our work is fully guaranteed. Anglia Oil Tanks can provide a tank for domestic or commercial use, in plastic or steel, bunded or single skin, in sizes ranging from 1,000 litres, suitable for a small garden, right up to 20,000 litres, suitable for a large commercial property. On the day of installation, our engineers will bring your new tank, pump out your existing oil into our holding tank and decommission your old tank. Once your base is prepared, your new oil tank will be installed and connected and refilled with clean, filtered fuel. We'll bleed and check your oil line and ensure your boiler is working correctly. Your old tank will be responsibly disposed of and you'll receive a certificate for your installation. Anglia Oil Tanks, East Anglia's #1 choice. Give us a call or visit our website today.